kitchen. So, the kitchen is my husband's territory. Kasi siya talagang mahilig magluto between the two of us. That's why it makes me a very, very lucky wife kasi never kong problema kung ano yung lulutuin ko dahil naka-assign na yun sa asawa ko. My only task is, or contribution is, on how to upkeep things dito sa aming kitchen. So, as you would notice, dito sa aming kitchen island, konti lang yung mga nasa ibabaw. As much as possible, we are trying to keep this area clutter-free. Kaya yung mga nasa ibabaw is yung mga ginagamit lang talaga namin. For example, dito sa area na to, nandito yung aming mga dog treats, human treats, some hand cream, and some more chocolates, and a diffuser. And dito naman, syempre, the dishwashing liquid, the hand soap, and the surface cleaner. So, nilagay ko sila sa mas maliliit na containers para din aesthetically pleasing sila. Another addition that we invested is to have this water filtration system. Bilang sa Pilipinas, alam niyo na, nasanay ako na yung iniinom is filtered water. So, just to have that extra security, that's why, yeah, I've got this one installed dito sa bahay namin. And I'll share with you some of the cupboards that we have and what's inside it. And let's first begin in this cupboard here. So dito nakalagay ang aming mga plato, baso, mga takeaway containers, baonan, mga glass wines, and teacups. Diyan siya. So naka-organize siya according to its own categories. And now, tayo sa aming fridge. So, bata pa lang ako, pangarap ko na magkaroon ng French door na fridge. Kasi, di ba parang sarap lang buksan ng gano'n. Parang cabinet, pero ref. So, this fridge is a 3-door fridge. So, yan yung dalawa. And ito yung pangatlo. So, we'll make a separate vlog about what's inside our fridge and cupboard. Kasi sa totoo lang, hindi pa siya masyadong organized. That's gonna be our next project. And hopefully, mapanood nyo rin yon. Moving on, nandito na tayo sa aming lutuan. So, etong ibabaw na to is the exhaust fan. May pailaw din siya. And dito naman sa mga cupboards na to, nandito, this one, nandito yung mga sandok, mga spatula, mga kutsara, tinidor, and everything. Dito naman, sa side na to ay yung mga pans and mga preparation bowls ng aking asawa. It looks a bit messy. Well, basta alam ni James kung saan niya kukunin yung mga kailangan niya, happy na ako. Kaysa ayusin ko siya and then from time to time, tanong ng tanong sa akin, babe, nasan yung ganito? Babe, nasan yung ganyan? So, I just let him be. Dito naman is more pans, and dito naman are more cooking stuffs that my husband used. And dito naman syempre sa ilalim nito ay ang mga panglinis ng aming mga hugasan. Anything to do with cleaning the kitchen as well dito. And this one is the dishwasher. So, as much as possible, we try to make yung mga kung ano yung nilalagay sa dishwasher into its close proximity para after hugasan, madaling mailagay at maibalik sa kung saan sila dapat nakalagay. And dito naman ay ang aming spice and condiments drawer. So, again, teritoryo to ng asawa ko, kaya pagpasensyahan nyo na kung hindi ganun ka-perfect. So, ang contribution ko talaga dito naman ay itong Lazy Susan. Kasi lalo na napakalalim ng cupboard na to. So, pag may mga spices na nandun sa pinakalikod, ang hirap niyang kunin, lalo na nasa ilalim. So, itong Lazy Susan, very handy gamitin. So, ayan, hindi ka na mahihirapan na hanapin. Ikot mo lang and pack. Ganun, kita mo na agad. And, yeah, the usual oven, microwave, and some plants, and the basurahan, and this one naman is our tawag dito, barstool, na maganda dahil naiitaas at naiibaba. So, depende kung anong height mo, kung anong convenience sa'yo, ma-adjust mo siya. And that's it for the kitchen. Now, let's move on to the dining area. Might as well. So, as you would notice, hindi ganun kalakihan yung dining table namin. Kasi dadalawa lang naman kami dito ni James. And kung may mga bisita kami, okay pa rin kung 4. And yung mga bar stools namin, pwede din doon kumain. So, kebs lang. This one, madali din siyang i-maintain. Konting punas lang, solved na. And tuwing ginagamit namin siya, we always put some placemats din para hindi madumihan and mag-stain yung mga food na mga kulay. Like kare-kare, pag nag-stain yun, alam niyo na paminsan mahirap tanggalin. And na-share ko na sa inyo on the previous one yung sa removable cover nitong aming upuan. So, ayan. Madali lang din siyang ikabit and madali lang din siyang tanggalin. And depende sa tema ng bahay namin. Like for example, sa Christmas, maybe I can change this one into a red or to a green. Diba? Pwede mong palitan ng vibe. And that's it! Dito naman, maganda lang mag-emote. Tingin ka lang sa malayo. Hi! So now we are here in our balcony area. As you would notice, it's quite spacious and decent in size. We also have this outdoor lounge na galing sa Aldi. So this one is a weatherproof lounge. So water resistant yung cover, and at the same time, it's heat resistant, meaning hindi siya nag-fade kahit naaarawan siyang madalas. What we did in this particular area is we put some velcro sa mga unan para hindi nga liparin kasi may hangin talaga dito. May mga times na sobrang hangin. So we put those velcros to make sure that it's secured and hindi ma-carried away. And the good thing about this one is removable yung mga covers nila. So ayan, merong zipper. And once a year nilalaban namin to. Otherwise, really, all you need to do is to spot clean tuwing may mga certain areas na madudumi. It's not a requirement na labahan siya every year. But for me, just to, maintain that freshness, kaya ako naglalaban yan every year. And another thing that we put here is this light. So talaga dapat tuwing Christmas lang to. Pero maganda rin yung nabibigay niya na vibe tuwing gabi. So we decided to keep it. And in this particular area, we do have this storage box kung saan namin tinatago yung mga ihawan namin, mga panglutuan namin na maliliit lang, and mga hangers, and everything. And yung mga extra beds ng aso, yung mga panglinis ng aquarium. So, maganda siya kasi hindi nag-aalikabok yung mga gamit nyo kahit na nasa labas siya. And eto naman are the cleaning stuffs that we have for the balcony. So, yan, meron tayong pang brush ng sahig, and another brush ng sahig. And then this one is our sampayan. Dito rin, meron kaming fake grass kung saan nag-iihi yung mga aso paminsan, lalo na tuwing umaga. Meron din kami ditong hose para panglinis namin ng balcony. So, yun. Bisik-bisik lang ng konting tubig, little bit of bleach, and then babrushin lang, and then meron naman tong kanal kung saan napupunta yung mga maduduming tubig. So, yun, again, very easy to maintain. Again, makita ninyo na may maganda tayong view ng sunset. So later, hopefully you'll see the sunset view that we have. Thank you for watching our video. Again, my name is Crystal, and kung nagustuhan niyo tong video na to, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe on my page, and hit the bell button para wala kayong ma-miss sa mga susunod nating uploads. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!